Stopping AWS instances using IAM policies is like giving a toddler clear rules. Without them, chaos ensues. First, we define policies that specify who can stop instances. Next, we attach those policies to IAM roles to enforce control. Testing ensures the rules work without unexpected surprises. Finally, security best practices keep our permissions tight and prevent accidental shutdowns. Let's keep the cloud running smoothly. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. IAM policies in AWS are like the bouncers at a club. They decide who gets in and what they can do. IAM manages permissions across AWS services, with policies acting as rulebooks. Users and roles need these policies to gain appropriate access. And yes, policies are written in JSON, because what's security without a little code-based fun? Controlling instance stopping is crucial. Imagine someone accidentally shutting down your production server during peak hours. IAM policies help prevent unauthorized shutdowns, ensuring business continuity. They also reduce those dreaded oops moments and keep security compliance in check. Because no one wants a surprise server blackout, IAM permissions work like a keycard system. You get access only to what you need. Every action in AWS requires specific permissions, linked to policies. Users must have the right permissions to perform tasks, but beware. Overly permissive policies are a security nightmare. Think of it like giving someone unlimited access to your fridge. They'll take everything. IAM policies are like permission slips. They tell users and services what they can and can't do. We can attach them to specific users or entire groups, making access control easier. Roles step in when dynamic permissions are needed. Think of them as the backstage crew managing things quietly. Managed policies help keep things neat, reducing clutter and making administration a breeze. When granting permissions, don't go overboard, stick to what's necessary. Think of it like giving keys. Only hand out access to rooms people actually need. Keep policies clear and specific. Ambiguity leads to confusion. Regular audits help prevent outdated permissions, because nobody wants to deal with unexpected security risks. And using managed policies, that's like having a professional organizer for your IAM setup. IAM missteps can be tricky. Giving too many permissions is like handing out an all-access pass. It's risky. Unused permissions. They're clutter waiting to cause trouble. Misconfigurations can allow unintended access. Imagine accidentally unlocking your neighbor's door. Without proper monitoring, small issues can snowball into security nightmares. Let's avoid these pitfalls with careful policy management. Keeping an eye on IAM policies is crucial. Think of it like a security camera for your permissions. Logging helps track who's doing what, while CloudTrail monitors access events like a detective piecing together clues. IAM Access Analyzer ensures permissions align with best practices. And don't forget to check activity logs, because spotting anomalies early can save a lot of headaches. IAM issues can be frustrating, like trying to unlock a door with the wrong key. First, check your policy syntax, because a misplaced comma can cause chaos. The IAM Policy Simulator is your troubleshooting buddy. It lets you test permissions before deployment. Always verify user access. It's amazing how often misconfigurations cause problems. And if multiple policies are in play, resolving conflicts ensures everything runs smoothly. IAM policies aren't the only game in town. Instance profiles are great for handling EC2 permissions efficiently. Security groups step in for network control. Think of them like digital bouncers. Resource-based policies let services manage access directly, and service control policies help enforce rules across entire organizations. It's all about picking the right tool for the job. And that's a wrap. IAM policies are the backbone of secure access control. so use them wisely. Stick to best practices for a rock-solid setup. Regular monitoring and troubleshooting keep things running smoothly. And don't forget, there are alternative methods if IAM policies don't fit the bill. With all this knowledge, you're on your way to mastering IAM like a pro. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.